Good day, everyone. Today I'll be discussing about a problem that is in dynamics of rigid bodies, and this is our quiz 2 number 1. So the problem is the radius of the moon is 1,800 miles. The gravitational acceleration of the moon surface is 0. times the gravitational acceleration at the Earth's surface. So the question is, what is the velocity of escape from the moon in miles per second? So I already wrote the given, so parang delete na mag-sulat pa. So for the radius is 1,800 miles, radius of the moon, and the gravitational acceleration is 0.1. And sa question is, unsa ang velocity sa katawan? So for the escape velocity, the formula is V is equals to the square root of 2G times R. So first, we're gonna get the gravitational acceleration. So G is equals to 0.165. Kaning 32.2 is Earth's gravitational acceleration. So, i-calculate mo na, we will get 5.313 feet per mile. Then, sa radius, kay mile man siya, ato siyang i-convert into feet. So, 1,080 mile times 5,280 feet over 1 mile, we will get 5,702,400 feet. So sa i-apply na nato ang formula kay naman tayo kan. So escape velocity is equals to square root of 2 times gravitational acceleration 5.313 times 5,702,400, we will get 7,796 feet per second. Since ang ipangayo kay miles per second, then feet niya siya ato pa siyang i-convert. So 7,784.196 times 1 mile over 5,280 feet, we will get the escape velocity of the moon by 1.47 miles per second. That's what we're thinking.
Number 2. So, money yung given. A highway curve is a superlevated at 7 degrees. Find the radius of the curve if there's no lateral pressure on the wheels of a car at a speed of 40 miles per hour. So, ang atong ideal angle of banking is angle theta of 7 degree. So ang natay quantity formula, ang formula is tan theta equals to V squared over the G times R. So first we need to solve. So ang ipangita man daw is convert natin siya into meter per second. So natay mga quantity mga convert. So first is 40 miles per hour i-times na to para makuha na to ang final ang dili ang atong V dire sa ubos. So 14 miles per hour i-times sa 5,280 feet over 1 miles times 1 meter over 3.28 feet times 1 hour na ikabalin sa 3,600 seconds. So pag-calculate, so muna yung magawas 17.886 meter per second. So tan 7 degrees equals to kamari ang V nato, so kaning V, so 17.886 square over the 9.881. So atong gravity ng G is also known sa gravity. So 9.81. So ang R, so muna atong ipangita ang R, ang radius. So kung imo na siya i-calculate, so mali na siyang gawas. Ang final answer is 265.6 meters.
Good day again, everyone. So today I will be discussing about the problem number 3 in our quiz 2. So the problem is a ball is thrown from a tower 30 meter high above the ground with a velocity of 300 meter per second, directed at 20 degrees from the horizontal. And the question is, how long will the ball hit the ground? So you have your PD. Imagine a ball being thrown with a velocity of 300 miles per second, meters per second, with an angle of 20 degrees. So the formula of projectile motion is y is equal to vyt minus 1/2 times g times t squared. So we will just input our given. So for y, or the height of our building is 30 is equals to 300, which is the velocity, times 20 degrees times time, minus 1/2 times the gravity, which is 9.81 times t squared. So after reciprocating our formula, our given, we will get the equation of 0 is equal to 4.905 t squared minus 102.40 minus 30. So the next step is we will use the quadratic formula. So RA here is 4.905 and our B is negative 102.40 and C is negative 30. So after putting our given, after inputting our given, we will get the time, which is 21.20 seconds with the ball that hit the ground.
Next given. So with a starting speed of 30 kph at PT, a point A, 1 A. So a car accelerates uniformly. After 18 minutes, it reaches point B, 1 point B. So kung ma-reach niya ang B, so ginatag na 18 minutes, and 21 came from point A. Find the acceleration of the car. So this is the given. The V sub O is equals to 30 kph. So we need to convert. So ma-convert niya siya is 8.33 meter per second. So next is the time na gihatag ang 18 minutes. So i-convert niya po na ito siya into seconds. So 18 minutes convert sa 1080 seconds. So next is the S. Sa 21 km, convert po na ito siya sa meter. So 21,000 meter. So maya itong given S equals to V sub O T plus 1/1/2 times E times T squared. So makuha na to formula. So pang dito sa pangbutang. So natin makuha na to na butang na atong is 21,000 and ato ang V is kani 8.33 meter per second. So times sa atong time kani time, so 1080 plus and 1/2 of E times time gyapon, so 1080 squared. So pag-calculate nato na is mari na siya magawas kay atong pangita man daw na is acceleration. So ang acceleration sa ani is 0.0206 meter per second. So mara siya. Next question. So horizontal platform 6 meter in diameter, so that point on its end is 6.88 meter per second. So find its angular speed in the RPM. So, pangitaon daw ang RPM. So, this is our formula. The V equals to RW. So, atong V is the 6.28 equals atong R is constant. So, R is 3 times W. So, pag ni, we need to divide both sides 3. So W, so pag ni, mani mo gawas na 2.0933 rad over second. So, i-times na to na siya para makuha na itong RPM. So, we need to convert ang kuha sa 100 is equal over 255 rad. So, i-times na to sa 60 seconds and over 100. So, mani atong magkuhan kung i-calculate na to ni sila. So, mari atong ma-solve. W equals to 20 RP and money cancel and that's solving.
This is the number 13. So the problem is object A approaches object B, which is stationary. The velocity of object A is V is equals 25I plus 4J 5K in meter per second. The mass of A is 10 kg and the mass of object B is 4 kg. So after the impact, the two objects stick together. Compute the x component of the velocity after impact. So the given is the mass of our object A is 10 kg, the mass of our object B is 4 kg, and the velocity of our object A is the equation of 25I plus 4J minus 5K meter per second. So we find the x component of the velocity after impact. So the solution is ma times u xa plus mbu xb is equals to open parenthesis ma plus mb times bx. So the mass of our object A is 10 kg times 25 plus 4 times 0 equals to 10 plus 4 times bx. We will get the value of 17.857 I meter per second. So this is the continuation of problem number 13. So compute the y component of the velocity after impact. So we have the solutions. Mass of object A plus mass of object B is equals to equation of mass of object A plus mass of object B times dy. So mass of object A is 10 times 4 plus mass of object B is 4 times 0 is equals to 10 plus 4 times by. So we have the result of 2.86 J meter per second.
So, this is the continuation of the number 13 and 14. So, na manam to resolve sa x and y. So, next is the z component of the velocity after impact. So, same process atong pag-solve sa like sa number 13, number 10. So, m object A, u, y A plus m object B, u, y B is equals to f object E plus f object B. So, times bz. So, atong one given is the 10 sa f object A times the negative 5 of y uya plus 4 times 0 equals to 10 plus 4 equals 8 times bz. So, makompute na to sila. So, ang diri is negative times sa 10 times negative 5 is equals to negative 50. So, diri is cancel out with 0 and 14. So, isolve na pero siya. So, sa calculus, so mo rin yung magawas ang bz is equals to negative 3.57 km per meter per second. And that's all. Thank you.